Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Monster 2025 account. Follow these steps to activate this feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Monster 2025 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Select Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include SMS, email, or an authentication app. Choose one and follow the instructions to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save settings. After setting up your chosen method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you. Once confirmed, make sure to save your settings to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, your Monster 2025 account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled.